Hello, my name is Charlotte. On this video, I would like to show you how to add a new supplier using Supplier Control module on Artintech ERP system. Currently, we are on the dashboard. From here, you will scroll down to Supplier Control. Click there and then click on Suppliers List. Once you're on Suppliers List, you click over to New and click on New. Now you will add in all the suppliers' details. I will go ahead and fill that in. I am finished all my supplier details. The address, the email, the phone number, the country, the city. I will scroll down to contact people. This is where I can add in any people I can contact in the company. I will leave it as it is. Services. What kind of service? I just put that in. And you can add any notes. I will leave it as it is. Click Save. Then scroll down to certifications. You can add in their certifications and expiry date. Once you have added in their certification names and expiry dates, you could also add in certificate files by clicking on this one here. Now I will go ahead and click Save. Scroll down to Suppliers Attributes, click on there and add in their attributes. I will leave it as it is. And Suppliers Assessment Settings. For Suppliers Assessment, I added in 90 days for the next assessment. Because this is a new supplier, I cannot add in the last assessment. Supplier Status and History, I will leave it as it is. And Supplier Rating, I will leave it as it is. Now that I've added in all of my supplier details, I will scroll down and click Save. And that is how you add a new supplier using Supplier Control module on Artintech ERP system. Thank you for watching, and please follow us for more.